If you are looking for a Wix custom Velo code expert or your Wix website development with custom coding, then you are in the right place. I have done some of the project with the Wix Velo code. If I will go to this website, here is a search bar and we can select here the categories. Here is the main categories, here is the subcategories, and the data will be sorted look like that way. So if you need something look like that, the filtering things, then I can do it for you. And as well as from the next part, I have done a custom forum. If I will fill up the information and if I will select any of the date, and here will be the calculate the price as well, and when anyone click on it, it will go to the Stripe, and here will be the calculation. It's fully custom, so we can do look like that, the custom calculator as well if you need. And I will do the code look like that way with your any of the section where you need the solution with the Wix Velo code. And on the Eura X website, this website, I have done a custom CMS things, like as if I will go to the CMS from the main dashboard, and when anyone submit the data with a forum, and from this forum the data will be stored on the CMS, and from the CMS the data will be shown under the professional tab, and we can control which profile we can approve or which profile we will hold, so it will not display here. So if you need any custom Wix solution, then I can assist you with that with the Wix custom Velo code. So you are very welcome to message me and let's discuss your problem and find a solution together. Thank you.